In my previous video, I've mentioned that my next devlog is probably going to be about a version 0.01 because even though my goals for 0.1 are extremely low, I will probably have no time to actually fulfill those goals. And this prediction was correct. I did not finish working on all of the mechanics that I wanted to include in my video game. Well, specifically version 0.1 of my video game. But I did have some results, so I'm going to show them. First of all, this guy is to blame for this sort of trouble I have right now, because while painting his skeletal mesh, for some reason I couldn't apply a weight to a certain to one of his what do you call it, vertices on his right index finger. So all the animations of him moving with his arms just broke, and I couldn't fix them. And I wasted about half a week trying to fix them, and nothing worked. And then I just re-imported the mesh, and everything was perfect. So I just wasted several days on nothing. Well, as for the rest of the project, which requirements did I meet up to this day right now? Well, I started working on the hierarchy for the characters of the video game, and of course made the class for my protagonist. I added camera component to him, skeletal mesh component for third-person view and first-person view, although third-person model is not finished. He's going to have a bit more gear on him, and of course I'm going to repaint his mesh again, because damn, those arms are not okay. Well, yeah, I made a third-person view mesh, first-person view mesh, and started working on animating them. Also, just as I promised, I decided to use for the first version the standard Unreal Engine character movement component, and I set it up to work in my video game. You can walk around, you can sort of run. I don't like running speed, I'm probably going to make it a bit faster. You can crouch, you can jump, and that's really pretty much it. You don't really need more for a simple shooter game. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this jump speed. That's crazy. Yep, that's it for the movement. I've made an interface to interact with interactable objects. You can change the color of this cube, which is kind of supposed to simulate a button that you can press. And I also made some items in the world interactable, so you can pick them up, like this magazine. And you can also pick them up by simply walking up to them and making your collision overlap with the collision of the weapon. As for the weapon system, I started working on the hierarchy for the weapon classes, for the firearms, and I finished, well, not finished, started working on the first gun in this video game, which will be this handgun. The functionality for this gun is pretty much non-existent so far, because well, you can sort of fire it, but all it does is remove the not remove, what do you call it? Decrement the number of bullets you have in the cylinder, and yeah, that's it. That's all it does. There's no animation so far, no markings of like bullet hits. It does simulate hit scans, but all it does is write the name of the actors that you're looking at into debug log. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the functionality of weapons. I also started working on the health system, but it's again pretty much empty. There's no damage functionality. There is a variable for your health, but it affects nothing. There's no function for dying or healing or getting hit. But yeah, work is still being done on this project. There's a lot of things to do, and I hope that in the next month I will show something more than this. So yeah, thank you for watching this trash. If somebody is even watching, but yeah, thank you for watching. That's it for now.